here we go.
What's up, everybody? It's me, Chris. I'm assuming if you're coming to check out this video, you want to know how to do all this technology stuff. So I'm going to start and try to go through everything that's on this projector screen right here, or the projector NAV instruction list that goes on right here. I'm going to start off with the screen. So when you're doing the screen, you just want to literally pull it all the way down. All right, so you're going to see the black at the top. And then if you want to pull it back up, you bring it down 4 inches, and then you pop it back up. And then once it hits this point, it'll slowly go back up, so you don't have to worry about anything beyond that. The next thing is I'm going to show you how to turn on the projector and do all the stuff with the projector. So what we have to do, in order to turn it on, you're going to see the on button. So all you do is point it at the thing. It should beep. If it doesn't, then we're in trouble. There it goes. So it turned on. While that's going, you're going to have 2 different kinds of connections. You're going to have the HDMI, so that's HDMI, and then this is the VGA connection. A lot of these VGA connections have to do with PC. You'll see it typically on the side, and it have it'll be in like blue and stuff like that. That's how you'll notice that. But we're going to do this. Because I have a Mac, I have to use a Mac projection with this, or Mac input with this. So I'm going to plug it into HDMI thingy. And then what I do is I'm going to plug it right into the wall. So if you want to come in close, you'll have HDMI, a VGA. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention too, it's actually at the bottom right here. We have extensions too. So if you want to roll this set and then roll it into a different part, these should be about 15 feet long. But with the VGA, it's going to come with these little aux cords too. So you're going to want to hook this up to it and then also hook this part to the bottom. And on your computer, you'll see that there'll be like an aux port for it. So I feel like I should be in a TV show here. Okay. All right. So that's done. We're going to plug into the wall. All right. Then I'm going to plug into my computadora. Okay, so it's going to blink like that, and as you guys can see, it comes up on the screen, and we'll get to do this again. So it comes up nicely on the screen. Now the next thing I want to show you, it's probably one of the last things I show you. Actually, Elizabeth, you want to come right over here and just look on the inside. This is the DVD remote for the DVD player. The DVD player is going to hook up to an HDMI cable, which is this cable right here, and it's on the back of the DVD player. That'll run sound off of it too. If you have another kind of Mac that's a little bit older, this will hook up to the back of the VGA, and then you hook it up to the VGA port, and then you plug it into your computer. So that's pretty simple. But what I want to do now is this is going to be our presenter remote. So if you want to do like PowerPoints, here I'll back up. If you want to do like PowerPoints and stuff like that, you can plug this into your computer. And the way that you do that, you just see that there's a little thing right here. You just click, it pops up, and on the back of it, you're going to notice that it has this little thing that you plug into your computer. It's a USB connector. So what you're going to do is, for me, I have to do this, but typically on your laptops and stuff like that, you'll just plug it into the side. You guys all have USB ports on the side of your computers. I'm going to plug it right into this side. So that's connected, and the way you turn it on is there's a power button right here. You just hold it for a second, and then it'll turn green, which means that it's on. It also has a cool laser pointer, so you can do like laser things. You do that by pressing this middle button. But then on your PowerPoint, you're going to press Start Show. And then in order to go forward and back, you just press these 2 arrows. So it keeps going forward and back. And you can pretty much just present it anywhere. This has about 50 feet in range. So I can just literally just keep pressing. It should work and keep on going and doing all that stuff. The way that the sound system works, so I should do a quick video here. This is going to be the last thing I show you guys, and then you guys can go off and do your merry way. Wait, I typed it in wrong. There we go. Okay. Let's see what song pops up. I'm going to do Death of a Bachelor because it's my favorite song. Elizabeth will laugh because she knows I play the song all the time. But you guys will see that this commercial is already coming up. The way that you turn up the volume on the projector is you just literally press the volume button and it turns it up. Oh, it should. There we go. You can see it keep going up on the screen. So, it's pretty loud. You can turn it back down in order to go down. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to stop that music. In order to turn it off, all you got to do is press the standby button twice. So go one, maybe, I don't know, maybe it won't do it. I swear I've done this a couple times already. Okay, there it goes. And then it'll say, continue to press the button, you press yes again, so you press it twice, and it turns off, and then once again, you pull it down, right down about 4 inches, and then pop right back up, it stops right there, and then slowly goes on the way up. That should be it. I think I've covered everything. You guys, if you guys ever get lost in terms of all the stuff that's in here, it's all labeled, and then it shows all the instructions on the sheet too. So, yeah, that's it. All right, peace. See you guys later.